Good morning students. Today you will learn about the application of sets, and these formulas we will use in the exercise 1.6. Now first formula is n of A union B. N denote means n means small n means number of the element in this set. A union B, you know union means the combined element of A and B. So n means number of element in the set A union B, that is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. It means n of A union B, combined element of set A and B, is equal to number of set in A plus number of set of B minus n of A intersection B, because we are taking the common element between A and B. So n of A plus n of B, it means all the elements are coming in this. So this is the first formula we will use in the exercise 1.6. Similarly, second one is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. When? Because if A intersection B is equal to 5, it means the common element between A and B is 5. No common element between A and B, then the n of A union B is equal to this one. It means it will come 0 because A intersection B equal to 5. No common element. Third one is n of A minus B, means difference, find out the difference between two sets, number of element between difference of two sets, that is n of A minus B, that is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B, number of element in set A minus the common element between set A and B. And A minus B also we can denote as like this, n of A intersection B dash. B dash means U minus B. We are taking the element which are present in B but not present in U but not present in B. So A minus B we can written as here A intersection B. The same formula, n of A minus n of A intersection B. Fourth one is if n of B, here A minus B, here n of B minus A, that is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. Or you can written this term as n of B intersection A dash. Now that is equal to n of B, same formula, but in the place of B minus A we can written as B intersection A dash. It means A intersection B dash can be written as A minus B, or you can say that A minus B can be written as A intersection B. Here students, write these formulas in your copy and learn. These are very important for exercise 1.6. One fifth formula is here, n of A union B union C, means combined element of three sets. So it will come n of A, number of element in set A, number of element in set B, and number of element in set C, minus n of A intersection B, minus, because A and B, all the element of set A and set B are coming here, so we are subtracting n intersection B. Similarly here, n of B intersection C. Then third one is minus n of A intersection C. We are subtracting the common element AB, BC and AC. And third one is plus n of A intersection B intersection C. We will, because here A union B union C, so we will write here the common element between set A, set B and set C. Now let us start the exercise 1.6. Now in 1.6, first question is, if x and y are two sets. Yes, first question is, if x and y are two sets such that n of x equal to 17, what is given? I am writing the solution here. What is given? N of x equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23, and n of x union y is equal to 38. Now find, they are saying n of x intersection y, find out the value of this. First of all, we will write here, according to this formula, n of A union B equal to this, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, and here we have to find out the intersection. So first of all we write, we know n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So in the place of n of x we will put here 17, in the place of y we will put here 23, and x union y is 38. We will write here minus n of x intersection y as it is. So after that we will transfer here, it will come n of x intersection y. After adding these terms 17 plus 23 it will come 40. Transfer this minus 38 here, so it will come 2. So n of x intersection y means the common element between set x and set y is number of common, it is not the element, number of common element between x and y, that is 2. This is the answer of first question. Now let us start the question number second. In question number second, if x and y are two sets and x union y has 18 elements and x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? It's also very simple question. So given, what is given? N of x, number of element in set x is 8, number of element in set y is 15, and number of element in set y is x union y, that is 18. Now because in the question it is given that x and y two set x union y has 18 element, so we will denote here number of the element. So we know the formula, and in that formula you have to put the values. We know that n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So in the place of x union y 18, in the place of x 8 plus n of y is 15 minus n of x intersection y. So it will come x intersection y, transfer here, it will come x intersection y is, yes, it will come 23, then transfer it minus 18, so it will come 5. So x intersection y contain 5 elements. 5 elements. This is the solution of second question. Similarly, you can solve the third question. In third question, what is given? In a group of 400 people, group means combined element of Hindi and English. 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Hindi and English, and denote for intersection or denote for union. This is very important, right here. Note, and means and denote for intersection, or means union. So here in the question number 4, what is given? In a group, you can read the question from the book. So in question, if s and 2 are, if in a group, question number 3rd, in a group of 400 people and 250 can speak Hindi, so we will write here n of h equal to 250. In Hindi 50 can speak, 250 people can speak Hindi, and n of e, English, number of people speak in English, that is 200. N of e is equal to 200. Similarly, n of h union e, that is given group in a group of 400 people. So this is the group Hindi and English, so 400 will come here. We know that n of h union e is equal to n of e plus n of h minus n of h intersection e. So we will put the value here 400, n of e is 200, n of h is 250 minus n of h intersection e, because in question it is given find out the how many people can speak both Hindi and English, and word is used here. So in the place of and, mathematically you will put here intersection. So solve it. N of h intersection e is equal to 400 450. Adding this 450 and transfer this one 400. So it will come 50. So n of H intersection E. Therefore 50 persons can speak both English and Hindi. This is answer of third question. Now question number 4. In question number 4, if S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, it means n of S equal to 21, n of T is equal to 32, and S intersection 8 has 11 elements. So n of S intersection T is equal to 11. So how many elements does S union T? So write down here n of S given. I am writing the solution. N of S is equal to 21, n of T is equal to 32 according to question, and n of S intersection T means common element between S and T, that is 11. Now we know that we have to find S union T. We know n of S union T is equal to n of S plus n of T minus n of S intersection T. So it will come n of S union T as it is, in the place of n of S 21 plus 32 minus 11. Now after solving this term, it will come 53 minus 11, so 42 is coming there. So S union T contains 42 elements. Now question number 5. In question number 5, what is given? If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements and X union Y has 60 elements, n of X has 14 elements. We will write here n of X equal to 40, n of X union Y is equal to 60, and n of X intersection Y has 10 elements. Here we have to find out how many elements does Y have. So we will write here n of X intersection Y is equal to 10, and we have to find out n of Y. So we know in every question you have to write this formula: n of X union Y is equal to n of X plus n of Y minus n of X intersection Y. So n of X union Y is 60, n of X is 40, n of Y as it is, we have to find this value, and this is 10. So after that 60 is equal to 30 after solving these two terms plus n of Y. So n of Y is equal to 60 after transfer this term, 60 minus this, so n of Y is equal to 30. So Y contain 30 elements. Y contain 30 elements. Now next question, question number 6. In question number 6, what is given? In a group of 65 people, 6th question is this: in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. Yes, meaning of at least is this one, at least two drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? It means you have to find out n of coffee intersection T, C intersection T you have to find, and it means n of C union T is 17, and n of C is 37, and n of T is 52. Now let us start the solution. Given n of C equal to 37, n of T is equal to 52, and n of C, I am writing here, n of C union T is, that is equal to 70. According to formula, we know n of C union T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. Now n of C union T is 70, n of C is 37, n of T is 52, and n of C intersection tea as it is, because you have to find here in question number this, how many, question number 6, 52 people, each person like at least one of the true, how many people like both coffee and tea? So we have to find C intersection T. Yes, it will come n of C intersection T. Yes, 70, this one 70 as it is, and transfer this term in RHS, that it will come, after, first of all add this term, it will come 89 minus 70, so it will come 19. So 19% like both coffee and tea. Thank you so much.